Good morning, students. Myself Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department. I would like to teach you today an important topic of water resources engineering. The term used in canal, or we can say component of a canal. So, as in last lecture, we have studied about the term berm. Okay, here if you are able to see various terms here in the cross section of a canal. First one is spoil bank, dowel, bank, berm, FSL, channel section, a roadway, side slope, okay, drain, ground level. All those components are here. Okay, so in the succession, okay, we move towards dowel, or in other words, it also told as dola. Okay, so what is dowel? If you are able to see this picture, the dowel, it is a component of a canal bank, and after berm it is provided. And as you know that berm is relatively used for the protection of bank of the canal after cutting of channel section, and to reduce the silt component deposited in the canal, so all particles get deposited in the horizontal portion known as berm. And dowel, as a measure of safety for the vehicle, a raised projection of soil is called dowel. It is provided on the channel side of the inspection road, and the top width of the dowel is 0.5 meter, is capped. Height above the road level is 0.5 meter also, and side slope should be provided in the ratio of 1.5:1. Another term we are using here is spoil bank. Okay, so what is a spoil bank? When the quantity of earth obtained from excavation or cutting of the channel section is in excess of the quantity required for the forming of the bank and the service road, then extra earth is usually deposited in the form of spoil bank, which is further used at the time of construction of any drain or any canal or further extension of canal in the future. Okay, so spoil bank, it is a heap of additional soil which are produced at the time of excavation of the channel section. Okay, and it is spoiled towards the outer side of the bank. Okay, and in between them, spoil bank and bank is a small drain here to protect the mixing of these soil in the bank. Okay, so it is a part of a component of a canal. So another term used in canal, it is known as breaches. Okay, what is breaches? It is the term used at the time of flooding in the canal, and through which the bank of the canal is bursts by the flooding water. Okay, and in some cases these bridges are artificially made or developed to protect the village from flood condition. Okay, so similar view you can see here. This is a type of a bridge. Okay, so this is another rare picture of canal structure for flow regulation and control. Okay, as you are able to see in this diagram, cross regulator is made. Okay, and a distributive head regulator is also constructed towards against flow of water, and arrow shows the direction of flow of the water. So from cross regulator, water offtakes in the other direction, and from distributory head regulator, water offtakes in the offtake channels. Okay, so as you are able to see here, this is a fall provided for particular purpose. It is also known as canal drop. Okay, and in the offtake channel, escape is provided. So what is the use of escape? Okay, you will see here. Canal escape, it is a side channel constructed to remove surplus water from an irrigation channel, means main canal, branch canal, or distributary. Everywhere it can be constructed, okay, into a natural drain. Okay, and the water in the irrigation channel may become surplus. It is due to mistake. Okay, so when surplus water comes in the main canal or a parent canal, or we can say distributary canal and other canal minors. Okay, so as in this case, the difficulty in regulation of a water may takes place. So to avoid this situation, to overcome this difficulty, we should provide a canal escape. Okay, to remove or to escape to surplus water from canal to the nearest drain or nearest river. Okay, so protection of the canal is assured. Okay,